Hey folks, welcome back. And in this session, we are going to see how do we get a progress bar. I mean, the status bar created using Python. It's very easy to do ahead with it, and we need to have the pip install progress bar done as a prerequisite. And without this, things won't work. So pip install progress bar has to be done. And from the module time, you need to import sleep. And from the module progress bar, you need to import progress bar. See the way the progress bar has been spelled here, it's very important. And I have a variable stat bar equal to progress bar of, I call this method. And I have a for loop where for I in stat bar with the range 40 with the sleep period of 0.1 I constructed. That's all. When I run it, when I go ahead with running it, it will all work fine, I believe. And let's see if it works fine. So you could see that it's getting compiled and the progress bar is really fast and it's nice, isn't it? So you can use this for your Python programs, and I hope it helps. If you have any questions, please go ahead and type it in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer you. If you like the channel and the content, please subscribe. Thank you.